if I would be asked about solution to the dispute in the South China Sea, I don't think legalistic solution and strategy would work, because at the end of the day, even if you have these laws, the really the problem there is enforcement. For me, the way I see it, if you really want to settle the South China Sea dispute, that it would be peaceful and more stable and secure, not only between the Philippines and China, but the whole region, basically, is to really focus on low politics and not high politics, because this is high politics dynamics. Low politics is more about trying to have that possible joint cooperation, may it be in oil and gas exploration and ventures, joint fishery management, joint scientific marine exploration in the South China Sea, that all claimant states. And you would reduce the tension, because having this kind of situation at the moment, you can see there's really an escalation of tension between the two countries, politically speaking and diplomatically speaking. And I don't think it would resolve anything at all.